How to watch live football matches on UEFA.tv. I'm going to tell you on how to watch live football matches on UEFA.tv. UEFA.tv is a free streaming platform offering live coverage of select UEFA competitions, including youth, women's, and futsal matches. While it doesn't broadcast major tournaments like the Champions League or Europe League live due to broadcasting rights, it provides highlights, replays, and original content for these events. To get started, just visit uefa.tv or download the uefa.tv app on your device. Create a free account by signing up with your email. Browse the available live matches and on-demand content. Please note that live match availability may vary based on your location due to geographical restrictions. For major tournaments, check local broadcasters or streaming service in your region.